Have you ever noticed how a little bit of shine can completely transform a look? We're talking about glossy lids, a trend that feels super modern but has a surprisingly rich history. It's not just about slapping on some gloss. It's a technique that artists have used for decades to sculpt, shape, and highlight the face in the most beautiful ways. Let's rewind a bit. Think back to the silent film era. Makeup artists back then were geniuses of light and shadow. They didn't have the advanced products we have today, so they got creative. They'd use petroleum jelly on eyelids to catch the harsh studio lights. This wasn't just for a wet look. It was a strategic move. A glossy lid would make an actor's eyes pop on grainy black and white film, making them look more expressive, more alive, more captivating. It was all about drawing the viewer in, and it worked like magic. Then came the vibrant, rebellious 1960s. This was the era of the youthquake, of breaking rules in fashion and beauty. Twiggy, with her iconic graphic liner and doll-like lashes, was the face of the generation. But look closer at high-fashion editorials from that time. You'll see the glossy lid making a subtle comeback. It was used to add a futuristic, almost otherworldly dimension to the bold eye makeup. It softened the harsh lines of graphic liner, creating a dewy, youthful glow that was the total opposite of the matte powdered looks of the past. For a rounder face, this technique helped to elongate the eye shape and add definition without heavy contouring. The 70s brought a more natural, sun-kissed vibe. The glossy lid fit right in. It was less about high-fashion drama and more about that fresh, I just came from the beach look. A sheer wash of gloss on the lids gave a healthy, radiant finish. Paired with bronzed skin and feathery brows, it was the epitome of effortless chic. For longer, more oval face shapes. A glossy lid could create the illusion of width, making the eyes the central focus and balancing the facial proportions beautifully. The 80s were all about excess, but even in an era of bold colors and sharp angles, gloss found its place. It was used to create a high shine, almost vinyl-like finish on the eyes, complementing the bold neon and metallic shades. It was a power move, a way to make a statement. For someone with strong, angular features, like a square or heart-shaped face, a glossy lid could soften the edges. The way light reflects off the gloss creates a diffused, liquid effect, which can make sharp jawlines or high cheekbones appear softer and more rounded. Now, let's jump to the 90s and early 2000s. We saw a mix of grunge and supermodel glam. The glossy lid adapted again. It became part of the minimalist, no makeup look. A clear gloss on a bare lid was the ultimate cool girl statement. It suggested a raw, undone beauty. It was also a staple on the red carpet, used to give celebrities that dewy, lit from within glow that looked incredible under the flash of cameras. 4 faces with delicate features. This minimalist approach was perfect. It enhanced the natural eye shape without overwhelming it, adding a touch of polish that felt both modern and timeless. So, why has this trend stuck around for over 100 years? Because it's incredibly versatile. It's not just one look, it's a tool. A well-placed gloss can make small eyes appear larger and more open. It can make deep-set eyes come forward and catch the light. On hooded eyes, a touch of gloss just on the center of the lid can create a bright, wide-awake effect without smudging or creasing into the fold. Today, the glossy lid is everywhere, from runways to social media. We have amazing products designed specifically for this effect, from eye-safe glosses to shimmering jellies. But the principle remains the same as it was in the 1920s. It's all about using light. A glossy finish mimics the natural dewiness of healthy skin. It adds a touch of youthfulness and dimension that matte shadows just can't replicate. It's a simple trick with a massive impact, allowing you to customize your makeup to perfectly suit your unique face shape and features. It's a testament to the fact that sometimes the most enduring beauty trends are the ones that work with your natural features, not against them.